Today I'm going to show you how to receive notifications of posts emailed to you in X, formerly Twitter, in just a few simple steps. This is a useful setting if you want post alerts delivered straight to your inbox, so you can stay updated without constantly checking the app. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Let's get started. First, open X and look at the left-hand navigation bar. If you don't see the option right away, click on More. This will expand the full menu and show you additional settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account, security, and notification controls. Next, click Notifications. This section controls how X alerts you across the app and by email. After that, click Preferences. Inside Preferences, you'll find a list of notification settings that you can customize. Now select Email Notifications. This is the area where you control which updates X sends to your email inbox. Once you're in Email Notifications, look for the option that says Posts Emailed to You. Toggle that setting on. When it is enabled, X will start sending post notifications to your email based on this preference. And that's it. You've now turned on posts emailed to you in X. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step social media guides, and I'll see you in the next one.